Welcome to this in-depth review of Wallet of Satoshi, the ultimate platform for fast and easy Bitcoin payments. Wallet of Satoshi stands out as one of the most user-friendly Bitcoin wallets, utilizing the power of the Lightning Network to make transactions lightning fast and incredibly affordable. Whether you're a newcomer to the crypto world or an experienced trader, Wallet of Satoshi offers simplicity and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for managing Bitcoin transactions. We'll dive into its core features, functionality, and why it's become a favorite in the crypto community. When you first open Wallet of Satoshi, you'll notice its clean and intuitive interface. The app is designed for everyone, from beginners who are just exploring Bitcoin to experienced users looking for quick and efficient transactions. Setting up the wallet is a breeze. Simply download the app, register, and you're ready to start sending or receiving Bitcoin within minutes. The wallet operates on the Lightning Network, a technology built to improve Bitcoin scalability and speed. With Wallet of Satoshi, you can send microtransactions or larger sums instantly without worrying about hefty transaction fees, making it a go-to choice for day-to-day Bitcoin use. In addition to sending and receiving Bitcoin, the app features a built-in QR code scanner, simplifying the process of paying merchants or transferring funds to other wallets. For users who enjoy tracking their Bitcoin activity, the transaction history is neatly organized and easily accessible. Now, here's something interesting for crypto holders. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to Wallet of Satoshi. One of its unique features is the ability to fund your wallet via multiple payment methods, including Bitcoin and fiat currency. This makes it an incredibly flexible tool for users in various countries. The wallet also supports automatic conversion of Bitcoin to fiat currency, which is especially handy for those looking to lock in their value without manually transferring funds to another account. Security is a top priority for Wallet of Satoshi. While it's custodial, meaning the private keys are managed by the platform, the wallet employs robust encryption measures to protect your assets. This approach makes it ideal for users who prioritize ease of use and are comfortable trusting the platform to handle security. For advanced users, Wallet of Satoshi provides seamless integration with other Lightning Network services, enhancing its versatility. Its straightforward design and efficient operation have made it a standout choice in the crypto space. Subscribe for more reviews like this, and don't forget to like the video if you found this information helpful.